So the approach that RingCentral took with DSG was one of a playbook, right? So helping us build and launch a leadership program that was really together in partnership. So it was collaborative where we took ideas and frameworks. We married that with RingCentral's great culture, with our systems, with our processes that we had to date, and ultimately created a tailored structure across our three individual sales segments that we were able to build, launch, and ultimately reinforce through our continued enablement efforts. So RingCentral has seen several different results coming out of writing the playbook with DSG. Ultimately, during the kickoff, we hit a new record from a stock price perspective. Coming out of kickoff, we heavily measured the amount of coaching sessions held and of which of the 6 major coaching areas that we defined those sessions were held about. We immediately interjected the interview guides into our interview process and started to measure an understanding of what type of talent we were bringing in the door and how that talent was helping RingCentral continue to see that explosive growth. So the impact I'm personally most proud of from partnership with DSG into the project that we called Project Lead, so leadership, enablement, and development, is that our leaders have really recognized the human element of everything they're doing, especially in the current landscape we're in with COVID-19 hitting the world and our sales reps that are used to traveling every day now being grounded. It's more important than ever that our leaders are out there and are coaching to both the person and the results that they're bringing to the table. And I'm really proud that I can say that all of our leaders are truly resembling this.